Hi friends, great morning. Welcome to Daily Analysis. Friends, let us see what was happened yesterday in our crude and what is our today's view. First I want to tell you what are the things which didn't work yesterday. Right? So in the morning view, I have mentioned that there is a possibility the price may come near to CPR range and it may touch CPR range, but in fact it didn't work out, right? Because the previous day also we had a virgin CPR, right? On Tuesday we had a virgin CPR, and even yesterday also it was a virgin CPR, right? Then another one which I have already mentioned, that price may take a resistance at 6,417 level, which was our swing high level of for last Friday, right? And price just crossed with an elephant candle, and there was a small one red candle, even though it is not any bearish candle, but it didn't take any resistance. But on the after some time, actually it gave us with a big bullish candle, but again that also was not a great breakout. It didn't go to the next level, right? Almost it was a sideways day. But only good thing, our pattern worked. This pattern we have discussed during our webinar, weekly free webinar. So this pattern has worked. The M pattern, the double top pattern has worked, right? And so yesterday was not a great day, even though we had an inventory and other data, but it was just a sideways kind of day, right? Now let us first analyze what is today's view, right? Now first we will go and check NYMEX, how NYMEX crude is performing. See, as I was telling, NYMEX crude actually already taken a support, and last 3 days continuously, right? It was going up only, right? And even yesterday's closing is above 20 EMA, which is again giving us another one more hope that still the trend may continue to be bullish, right? Probably maybe at least somewhere this level we may get a resistance, and this level we may get a resistance, which is around 79.67 and 81.37 level, right? We will see when the price comes to that level. So as of now, the trend remain positive. But since last 3 days continuously, it was in a bullish trend. There can be a slight retracement somewhere near to 20 EMA level. It can take a support and again it can recover, right? Now we will see MCX crude in daily chart. How was the performance? Clearly, it was again repeating the same like the last 3 days continuously upside, and again it's the price has closed above 20 EMA, which is again giving us a hope that the trend may continue to be bullish, correct? But since last 3 days it was on a bullish trend, we need to be slightly cautious. It can take a slight retracement, right? So again, overall trend remain positive. That's what it's showing, correct? Now let us see 30-minute chart. In 30-minute chart, we can clearly see that the first half an hour candle has opened. It is not a big bullish candle and all. It was a small bullish candle. So there is no trend as of now. There is no signal or pattern as of now, and we have a average CPR here, right? You can see at the top band of CPR is around 6,459, and the bottom is at 6,432. Right? So almost 27 point kind of point wideness. So which is giving us an indication it can be a trending day, right? It will not be something like yesterday's day. It can be a trending day. That's what CPR is telling. But that doesn't mean that 100% it will work. It's a probability game, correct? And what are the possibility which we have here, right? One, see the 20 EMA is actually trying to cross CPR range, right? Probably, let us say, if the price comes down and settles somewhere near to the CPR, and if we get a support of 20 EMA, then it can again continue to be bullish, correct? But again, we have resistance 1 here at 6,509, and we have a supply zone of 6,513 here. So this zone we need to be cautious, right? So if the price breaks that level, then we have smaller other this one, maybe a trend 6,600 level and it can go, right? Or 6,546 is resistance to, and 6,611 is resistance, right? So these are the levels which we have right now. So let the level be there. But in case if there is a profit booking, since last 3 days market was continuously on a bullish trend, there can be slight profit booking. If the profit booking comes, what can be the retracement level, right? So if the price comes down below CPR range, which is almost, which I told already, 6,458 and 6,433, this level below, then first it can come to 6,384 level, right? Which can be our previous days even low also, right? This is an important support zone, which is a demand zone, and also we have previous days low, right? So put together, this level 6,383 level can act as a very good support for us, right? If it breaks, there is a high possibility that this zone is basically a virgin CPR zone, right? This zone. See, you can see this entire zone, which I have marked here, right? Which around 6,335 to 6,277 level, right? If the price comes down, this zone can again act as a support zone, correct? Because we have a virgin CPR. So yes, since previous day it didn't touch this level, today if at all the price comes to this level, this can be act as a support, right? Again, we have in between, we have a demand zone also. So this will be a very strong support for us. So what I am expecting, if the price comes down below CPR range, it may come somewhere near to this level and can settle it, right? But again, we need to wait and see in live market, and we need to see how the price is behaving at each location. Accordingly, we need to take the action, right? So these are the important levels and view for the difference. So before winding up, I want to give you a disclaimer that these are my personal views. They never guarantee you any success or profit. And do your own analysis before taking a trade, and make sure you maintain proper risk-reward ratio, right? Friends, today being a Thursday, we have a webinar. It's a free webinar, 2 hours webinar. Starts at 7:30 in the evening, goes up to 9:30 in the night. And we are going to conduct a webinar called Price Action Secrets, right? Here I'm going to discuss in detail what is price action, how price action behaves, what are the important candles, what are the 3 important patterns which keeps repeating in intraday trading, right? So if you want to learn in detail, please join with us for this webinar. And also tomorrow, 7:30 to 9:30 in the evening, we have a special webinar called Super Power Trader. Again, here I am going to discuss more about psychology behind successful trading and the money management rules, right? So attend both the webinars. Let us meet at the webinars. So, and one more request, if you're watching first time my channel, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, make sure you subscribe the channel and hit on the like button, comment in the comment box, share this with your other trading friends. So thank you very much. Wishing you all a very happy and successful trading day. Thank you.